Hello students, so we're continuing with the SQL practical program. So today I'll discuss about the alter table command. Now this alter table command is from the reduced syllabus from chapter 2. However, if you see the solved exercise in chapter 3, you'll see that most of the query tables, the tables that have been created in the queries, also contains the alter table commands. So it is possible that it may also come, so for that reason you have to be prepared. So that's why I'll be teaching you these alter table commands also. So just like we have seen the update command where we use with the set keyword, so the update command was used to modify the row datas, row by row the data values, or to make changes to the row datas, or to insert new values, right? So similarly we use the alter table command, okay, to make changes to the table structure, right? So it can be used to add new columns, it can be used to change the size of the column, or it can also be used to drop the column, right? So now let's see the syntax. So here how we write a alter table, alright, and then we mention the table name, alter table teacher, and then we use the add clause to add a new column. So here within this we write, let's say that I want to add age. Okay, now since we are creating a new column, so we have to mention the column name. Along with that we have to mention the data type. So since age is number, right, and then we have to mention the size. So let's say the size has give us 3, and then we run this. So now you can see that the table has been altered, right? So if you see the structure of the table and you run this, you can see that in the table structure the description, age has been entered, it's a number data type, and the precision or the size is 3. So if you run the select command, you can see that the new column has been added, but no value has been inserted, right? So how do we insert new values into this already entered table? That is by using the update command, right? Now let's move on to the next alter table command, alter table teacher. All right, now we want to make changes to the new column, right? Since the new column has the size 3, has been given the size as 3, now I want to reduce it to 2. So size 3 means that you can have maximum, in terms of age, you can have maximum up to 999, right? Because 1000 becomes size 4. All right, now you know that the size 3, the value will start from 100 till 999. But in case, so I want to reduce that, so we use the modify command, modify clause, right? So modify, and then we write down the age, and then the data type, and then the new size, that is 2. So now you run this, now table has been altered, right? So if you see the description, so you can see that the precision or the size has changed to 2. Alright, so this way you can make changes to the size of all of the columns or existing columns also. Now similarly you can also drop the column. Alright, but before dropping the column, let's say that you want to add, right? So you want to add new values to the row, so you use the update command, update teacher, and then set. Now the set keyword will be used with the column, okay, where you want to insert the new value or modify the value. So in this case we want to insert a new value in the existing table, right? So in the that is in the age column, right? So age equals to, let's say, 31. Okay, it has to be attached with the where clause. Now the where clause is used with condition because when we want to insert a new value into the already existing table, then there has to be a column, a unique column, where the data value is unique. All right, in case of the teacher name, some of the teacher names might be same, or in terms of the address it might be same, in terms of the salary it might be same, but in terms of the teacher number, all the teacher number is unique, right? So where do we insert the value, the age 31? It may be in any of the row, right? So for that case, if you want to insert it into a specific row, then you have to use the where clause. Okay, so where t number equals to, and since teacher number is of character type, and the data that has been entered t, that is has been written in uppercase, so you have to be mindful of that. So t01. So when you run this, you can see that one row has been updated. Now if you run the select command, select star from teacher, you run this, you can see that the age has been updated, right, for t01. Okay, similarly you can also update all of the rows in this manner. All right, so now next is how do you drop a column. All right, so to drop a column, you again use the alter table teacher, okay, and then you just say drop. Okay, now in your textbook it has been mentioned drop column. All right, now but especially in this Oracle software, uh, you cannot use the keyword column, so you just have to mention drop and then mention which column you want to drop, right? So here age, and then you run this. So when you run this, table has been altered. So if you see that, select star from teacher, you can see that the table has been affected, so the age column does not exist anymore. Okay, similarly you can also drop a table by saying drop table teacher. If you remember that I've already created a teachers table, select star from teachers. Okay, that table does not exist, maybe I've already dropped that table. All right, so but if you need to drop a table, all right, so you just mention, you just write down here drop table teacher, and then that will permanently delete the teacher table from the database, right? So I have also shown you the how to use the delete command to drop certain rows from the table. All right, so likewise practice on this alter table command, okay, because it may come also. All right, so this is also very important. Okay.